Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here on the beautiful Norwegian Breakaway Deck 15. This is where it all happens. This is the party deck, the pool deck. This is where all those after the sun go down parties happen, and musical stuff and bands and bars and pools and hot tubs and you name it. It's on this deck. And also the Garden Cafe is here also, which is the Norwegian Getaway buffet area. So let's take a look around deck 15 and see what's going on here. Full disclosure, it's about 7 o'clock at night, so everyone has pretty much gone up to their staterooms, which means this deck is going to be pretty empty right now. And the crew actually piles up all these lounges every night because of wind or possible storms or whatever. They don't want to do everything last minute, so every night they go through this same routine. They pile up all the lounges, all the tables and everything, and tuck them away nicely in case any unexpected weather comes along. They're prepared already for it. But make no mistake, even though the lounges are away, this deck comes alive when the sun goes down with lots of parties and music and stuff. There's basically two areas here on the pool deck, two pool areas. One is the regular pool area, which features 4 hot tubs, the stage behind me, and 2 bars called the Wave. And then a little bit further up on the deck is the splash area, which contains the water slides and a splash area for the kids. As you can see, there's 2 showers here also that you can hose yourself down. The pools actually use water from the ocean. It's recycled right through the pool and back out into the ocean, so it's no filtration. Well, I'm sure there's some kind of filter, but there's no like chemicals that they have to use or anything like that. It's pure seawater, comes in and goes right back out, always clean. And if you're a smoker, you have your own section right behind me. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. Now, as we move further aft or towards the back of the boat, you'll see a lot of tables and chairs, and that's because we're getting closer to the Garden Cafe, the buffet here on the Norwegian Getaway. We'll step inside the Garden Cafe. Right now, I believe they only have half of it open. That's usually the way they work it. During peak hours, the entire area is open, but non-peak hours, they close half of it off, but basically the same thing on both sides, only they have one side open. And like I said, on the other side is the same setup, but during quiet times like right now, they don't have it open. But it's the same exact food. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And that's pretty much it for Deck 15. That's the pool area, the kids splash area, the water slides, and the Garden Cafe. Speaking of the Garden Cafe, while I was in there recording, the captain showed up, and the demeanor of everyone in that room immediately, as far as the staff is concerned, they perked up really fast. So, but the captain introduced himself to everyone in the theater this afternoon, and he's a really nice guy. So. Nothing but good things to say about the captain as well as all the crew here. Fantastic customer service, a great social calendar plan, itinerary, and nothing but the best to say about a Norwegian cruise line right now. Also on Deck 15 is the spa and barbershop and gym as well. Hey everybody, check out the New Yawk store. There's a link in the description below. Lots of cool New Yawk swag, including t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. We have teddy bears, coffee mugs, water bottles, stickers, tote bags, you name it, you'll find it at the New Yawk store. Lots of cool swag. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Thanks so much for visiting. Oh, so this is what the gym looks like. Deck 15 is also home to the Norwegian Getaway's Haven area, which is kind of like an exclusive premium area of the ship. Has its own entrance, its own swimming pool, its own restaurant, its own lounge. Very exclusive, very expensive. And you need a key to get in there. Just like the studio lounges where I am, you need a key to get in there, but that's hardly as luxurious as the Haven is here on Deck 15. And that's pretty much it for Deck 15, the party deck as everyone pretty much calls it. The pools, the splash pool, the water slides, the garden cafe buffet, the Haven, the spa, the gym, lots located on Deck 15. It's probably one of the most funnest, if that's a word, decks on the ship. We're going to head up to Deck 16 now, which is basically a sun deck. Not much to see, but we'll take a look anyway. I hope you enjoyed Deck 15. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the New York channel if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.